So the first question is, what would Nish do in an awkward situation? So I think she'd just look at one of us and make some awkward face and like just start smiling or laughing.
Say something and make the situation awkward.
Yeah, she probably crack some
very lame
joke.
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 Same here, I think.
And then end up crying.
Or if you're uploading a story on Instagram.
Akansha, please be with me. I'm feeling awkward. Akansha, stop making it awkward. Stop it, bitch. I'll kill you. Bro, stop making it awkward.
So in an awkward situation, it doesn't matter where we are, who we're with. She will grab my hand, she will squeeze my hand, and she will just indicate to me somehow that we have to go. We just have to dip from there.
So Nish talks a lot, and if she's awkward, you'll notice that she's thoda quiet, or she'll head to someone who she knows. Like she'll quickly run to someone who she knows and she'll be with them the entire time because she just gets awkward like that. She's weird.
Awkward situation में दीदी अपना फ़ोन निकालती है और फिर Instagram स्टार्ट और स्क्रॉलिंग करती है और लाइक ऐसे मम्मी को ऐसे साइन लैंग्वेज ऐसे दिखाती है कि हम बहुत ऐसा awkward फील हो रहा है, चलो या ये करो.
So I think Nish would do something that would make the situation more awkward, or she would just keep saying, "Oh my God, this is so awkward. Oh my God, this is so awkward," and just like wait for the third person to come and yeah.
She would just laugh her way through it, honestly.
Put the blame on Dingra so that no one would pay attention to her silliness.
You just laugh.
The second question is, what would Nish do in a room alone with Varun Dhawan? So I think she'll just have too many emotions and mixed emotions. She'll really not know what to do. I think she'll just make like this face and like, she'll be totally confused as to what's happening.
So she loves him, everyone knows that for sure. But if she was alone in a room with him now, then she'll get very awkward. Yeah, I can imagine she'll be so scared, she'll be shitting her pants. And then later on she'll regret, fuck, why didn't I fuck him, like that.
If she was alone in a room with Varun Dhawan, she cries over him all day, she thinks about him all day. What do you think she'll do with him in a room alone?
जो मेरा है वो तेरा है, but Nish and Varun in one room, sorry, not happening. Can't share my VD, my baby. Sorry.
Take pictures all day and just piss the fuck out of him.
I really don't want to talk about what would go on in that room.
I don't think she would be able to say anything, or she would be starstruck and she wouldn't know what to say. But I think she would appreciate him, talk about his movies, and click pictures. Obviously, she would be like, "Oh, can I hug you? Can I click pictures?" And to show it to us.
अगर दीदी एक रूम में वरुण धवन के साथ होगी एक्चुअली तो सबसे पहले तो ऑटोग्राफ लेगी, फोटो फिर इंस्टा उस पे डालेगी और शो ऑफ करेगी और फिर इतने जोर से चिल्लाएगी एक्साइटमेंट में ताकि गला पूरा खत्म पड़ जाए.
Do I really need to answer this? She's probably gonna walk out with Nishita Tehrpramali Jr. and a Varun Dhawan Jr.
Next question is, what pisses you off the most? So I think it's that if you get ignored while you're talking, or like if no one listens to you, then you get really pissed off and like you're just like, guys, listen to me what I'm saying.
So Nishita has this OCD problem, and she hates it when her room is messy and like when her room is not organized well. I think that would piss off the most.
दीदी सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा तब होती है जब दीदी के बाल को टच करे या फेस को टच करे, और सबसे ज़्यादा एकदम एक्सट्रीम लेवल पे जब मैं दीदी के बाल को टच करूँ. फ्रेंड्स करेंगे तो कोई फ़र्क नहीं, मैं करूँगा तो बहुत ज़्यादा.
Easy, me boring her with some history crap.
I think when someone would lie to her or start drifting and hiding stuff from her.
Toddlers, when they just start talking, people coming in the way while she's driving, the food going in her nails while she's eating, and ignoring her after she ignores you. I don't make the rules.
So firstly, it's if you plan something with her and you can it last minute, she gets very annoyed. And there's another thing, like if you have oily hands and you touch your phone khana khane ke baad, so she gets very annoyed with that.
Lack of attention.
Not being a part of this video.
I think we just call her over and go to sleep and then not answer the door for 45 minutes. No, I think it's thinking she's with some other girl except for
What doesn't piss her off? Like, genuinely, what doesn't piss her off? No, but like the top 3 things that piss her off are me, and like me.
If Mime Squad starts going for dinner very often.
What would Nish choose, food or attention? I'm really not going to answer this question because it's very obvious.
There's no question. Like, she dies for attention. Food's nothing. Like, I'm the foodie. She's not. She doesn't care that much about food. Like, she'll do anything for attention at any time.
Attention. I know her. That bitch says she loves food, but she can survive without it. She did Navratri na without food. She can. मतलब वो कर लेगी. But she can't live without attention. And Soham will back me up on this.
Oh, you tell me. If you know her period is dangerous and she came on the first day of her period from one side of the world to another just because I was cooking for her. And I mean, it's Nish. Do you really think she needs anybody's attention? I mean, she's enough for herself to me.
Food. Attention.
I think definitely attention. Definitely. She anyway starves herself with the whole day. She wants to take someone else.
ये कट होगा.
Obviously. But it's true to look thin.
She's food. Attention. Attention. Attention.
Of course, attention.
Definitely attention. That's something that you need more than oxygen also.
No shit, attention.
This is a very tough question for me, to be honest, because she's a Utah soccer and she loves getting attention. But I think she would choose attention because I think
She'd obviously choose food attention.
Okay, so one food item that you would have in your entire life. Now, I really don't know about food, but I'm very sure that you're not going to leave Ultra and wine your entire life.
I would totally slay this question even if it was about the different types of food she'd order for the rest of her life. But if it was one dish, it would definitely be pizza from Chin Chin along with garlic oil and marinara sauce. I mean, she can thank me later.
Butter chicken and ultra.
Nish loves sushi. She's been obsessed with it lately. But I wouldn't say she would eat that for the rest of her life. I know her. She can't eat one thing for the rest of her life. She can have pizza. Like, there are so many things that she likes. So I can't say one thing.
One thing that she could live off would be mostly, I think, like pizza from Chin Chin or butter chicken. Butter chicken not so much, but like pizza from Chin Chin.
दीदी पूरे लाइफ में एक थिंग खाएगी जो है चिकन वॉन्टन या फिर रिजोटो.
Her spicy noodles any day, and then I guess ice cream to make up for the spice.
So like Nishita loves eating, so I don't think she'll be, able to choose as a one food item because she loves so many things like her mom's dal chawal, parathas, ramen, sushi, pizzas. There are a lot of things, so I don't think she would be able to choose one thing.
Food for life is definitely Soham Dhingra.
Probably should try chicken. Or Sindhi food.
Very super. Yeah, same. Oh my god.
So the first thing that comes to my mind when someone mentions a name, Hagichi hai?
She talks to my family more than me. So I think the one word that I think of is that she is family. Like, however she is at the end of the day, she's fam.
Every positive aspect, every positive adjective that comes to mind, like astonishing, amazing, beautiful, what else? Like, how can a bad thing come to mind?
Honestly, a rush of words go through my mind because she's a package that I think that I literally customized. But the first term is soul to soul connection. I mean, that joke has turned into a relationship. I mean, wow, dude.
Cutest drama queen.
All the Goa memories.
सबसे बड़ी ड्रामेबाज.
My Bollywood partner. I think her eyes are like really big.
त्रास
Oh, her hair.
त्रास जाना पड़ेगा.
Like the first thing that always comes to my mind is that she's my best friend. Like I can never call her my friend. Like she's like my family. So that and like there are a lot of things that Yuja shopaholic crazy extras. So yes.
मेरे अंदर लाइक ऐसा बहुत ऐसा वियर्ड फेस बन जाता है और भी चीज़ें जो मैं इधर मेंशन कर सकता हूँ वरना दीदी बाद में मुझे मार डालेगी.